Hey y'all, it's Kinah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the January 2022 cloth and paper sub box. I do have the stationery box, not the Pinspiration box. But I'm pretty excited this month because I already know what's in it. So if you're interested in seeing this unboxing, stay tuned. Alright y'all, we're going to jump into it. I've got my what's inside card here, pictures of what's on the back. I'm going to go ahead and sit this up here and, like I said, jump into it. So the first thing here is the arched folder, and the description says, no other pocket folder can compare to our new arched folder. Featuring a gorgeous arch shape and embossed design, this folder combines both beauty and function in one product. The inside pockets and compartments allow you to store your papers, cards, and accessories in one folder. And the measurements are 7.5 by 10. Oh, okay. We busy. So you've got two slots here for cards. We've got another little pocket here. And then we've got a secretarial pocket. We've got a little, it's not elastic, a little paper piece to hold, I guess, a small stack. And that's pretty nice, y'all. It's embossed, as we already talked about. So here is the arch folder. It does say cloth and paper, established 2015. And this is an elastic band that I always seem to have issues with, even with my VB kits and stuff. So here is the arched folder. Okay. Next up are this month's inserts. And it says, ow, our January inserts are a staple for anyone's planning routine. Planning out your month will be a breeze with our new monthly admin inserts. On the back of each sheet, we've included a notes page, so these inserts are easy to add to any section of your planner. Of course, we had to complete the set. We'll go into that next. So here are the monthly admin notes. Y'all, I can already see I'm going to love these. We have Monday through Sunday. We have a section up here for the date. Not really sure why. We have a section for tasks, important dates, and a grid section down here for next month. And then when you flip it over, we have a grid notes section. So I believe there are 15 sheets of these. We didn't get one that shows us how to use it, which is odd because we've been getting those lately. But if I hadn't already told you guys, I did switch back to the A5 box. I've been switching back and forth between A5 size and classic size because I do have both planners. But I decided I needed some new stuff for my A5 now. So glad I did that. Monthly admin inserts. And then it says, of course, we had to include a weekly version to complete the set. Our weekly admin inserts allow you to easily plan out your week while also keeping track of your important tasks and daily habits. So here we have weekly admin from date to date, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday next week. Checklist for tasks, and then we've got a section for habits with a daily check off, and then on the back it is the exact same thing. So you've got plenty of those sheets. Let's see if there's a nope. Oh man, that's fine. So we have our monthly and weekly admin inserts. Next up, we have this month's dashboards, and it says our January dashboards are the perfect mixture of texture and color. Our swatch dashboard includes our stunning new color Tuscany to add the perfect pop of color to your planner. Y'all, look at that detail. I swear it's showing up so much better on the camera than it is in real life, but it's nice. And then our balance dashboard reminds you to make time to create balance in your life, not to mention it's printed on a stunning textured paper stock. It is. I do like that texture. And it says, balance is not something you find, it's something you create, by Jana Kingsford. I love this texture. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. Our New Beginnings half dashboard features an editorial design that layers beautifully over our balance dashboard. Really? Maybe this is supposed to be in vellum? I don't know. Okay. So, we've got plenty on here, and then on the back Looky, looky. So these are the 3 dashboards in this month's box. Next up, we have Matchstick page flags. It says our January Matchstick page flags feature our exclusive January color palette, including Tuscany, Cafe Noir, and Angora. These page flags are the perfect tool to highlight your important tasks and plans to help keep you on track. They are transparent. Maybe it'll let me pull it up. There we go. So we've got a set of 3 Matchstick page flags. Next up, we have half sticky notes, and it says our half sticky notes will have you seeing double, featuring 2 of our exclusive January colors, Tuscany and Cafe Noir. These sticky notes are perfect for writing notes and memos to keep in your planner. 25 sheets of each, and they're measured 1.5 inches by 3 inches. These are matte, y'all, and these are sticky notes, like I said. So you go ahead and peel them up just like that. Love these, and this color is everything. So these are the half sticky notes. Last but not least, we have our journaling cards. So we have our monthly view, the clear card for March. We have Create Without Boundaries. This is also on that textured paper that the balanced dashboard was printed on. I like that. This is the, I guess, Create. This is the Create matte 4x3 quote card. In the back it says, this agenda belongs to contact info. And then here we have quick planning tools. Capture ideas quickly in your inbox. Create a task timeline. Allocate your resources. Plan at the same time every day. Write out a clear and concise plan. Categorize your task list. Schedule your top 3 tasks rather than adding to your task list. Include quick tasks to your task list to give yourself some wins. Revisit your task list often. Don't overwhelm yourself. Migrate tasks you don't complete. So that's pretty big. I would say I'd probably clip this with a paper clip to another dashboard or somewhere in my planner, or even to my inbox. So this is the journaling card set for the month of March. Alright y'all, here is the January 2022 cloth and paper stationery box. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!